I don't think so. After calling Trump a Nazi and unleashing basically by either hook or crook or neglect Antifa and BLM to terrorize our cities all summer long, and then to have AOC and all of these people basically call their conservative counterparts fascist and to deplatform people, we're all going to unite. And then we had Michelle Obama saying half the country voted for racism and hatred. Now we're all supposed to say, please forgive us, Michelle. 73 million people. I don't think so. When they went after Brett Kavanaugh the way they did, when they tried to destroy the reputation of now Justice Barrett, I just don't think people are going to say, you know what? We've got to have bipartisan give and take, and we got to look at good old Joe Biden from Scranton and look at his judicial appointments, and let's just examine them very carefully. And we're going to just vote entirely on the merits, just like they did on all of our. If they had a transition like they gave Trump, then what would it be like, Troy? It would be right now, Trump. He would have a meeting in the Oval Office with everybody how to take the Logan Act and distort it in a way to start surveilling Biden's appointees. And then the FBI would get in the action. And then we'd have FISA court warrants. And then we would have deep state people planted by Trump everywhere from DOD to DOJ. And the next thing we know, President Biden's private phone calls with a Mexican president or the Australian prime minister are going to be on the front pages. That would go on until we finally said, we know what, we need a special prosecutor for the Biden family. And unlike the Trump Russian collusion hoax, there would be something there. And then if we didn't want to do that, we would say he violated the emoluments clause. If that didn't work, we'd say, you know what? He's non compos mentis. Let's get that Montreal cognitive assessment test back out of the spider web. Trump aced it. Let's see how you do. And let's get Bandy Yee, is that her name? The Yale psychologist who testified that Trump should be put in basically a straitjacket and escorted into the nutty. I can use that word. I mean, that's what they did. And so now it's all kumbaya. They always do that. They destroy whoever their opposition is, and then they say it's time to be patriotic and unite. And after a lifetime of watching that, I just don't think I'm in the mood. I don't think most people are in the mood to take them very seriously.